Good morning guys and good afternoon. Today I am at Southport and I'm gonna go to Australia Fair. Look how beautiful this view is. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna go with a skateboard. Hey guys, I'm here at the Broadwater Park. Holy shit, I'm gonna go for food. Oh shit, fuck. Hey guys, I just got in here in Australia Fair and I'm gonna go get something to eat and get back home, and then Khalil will pick me up. Me too. Just a what the fuck, man. Hey guys, I just got here and I got sushi. It's pretty nice. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this nice graffiti over here. It's the chicken. That is, I swear to God, that's amazing. Guys. Look at it. Look at the details, dude. Oh. Yeah, it's like where I used to come with my friends and have like just sit. Hi guys, I just met up with Allah. He said he calling Akhlilo, he's not playing. So I'm just gonna go home now, change, and then get back to Australia Fair, and then meet Allah again and see if Akhlilo is gonna answer his phone. Whoa, look what I just spotted. A goddamn GT. Woo, that is so beautiful. Shit. The exhaust. Beautiful GTR, man. One day I'll get it. Yo guys, I just went home, I changed, looking clean, looking fresh, and I'm gonna go meet up with Ala. He's still not answering. I don't know what I'm gonna do now, because we were going to look for cars and it's really 5 and all shops are closing at 5. We about to take you higher. guys, I'm here with Ala. And we're waiting for Naklilo. Finally, he answered. Play him since 2. He's like, I'll come to you at 2. 2, it's fucking, what time is it? Like 5. So guys, Aklilo still didn't come. And I'm calling him right now, but we're gonna go have a look at our car.
Hopefully he's gonna like it. He doesn't like anything.
Oh, look at that. Look at the body, dude. Holy shit.
You know, today we're walking, tomorrow we're riding, you know?
Pull up in a G-Wagon, no range. Yeah, G. Yo guys, that's the car I might get. This is Ali. Say what's up.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, man, I'm just gonna go test drive it and hopefully it will be the one. Yeah guys, so last one you saw, it was when I was looking at the car. I was talking to the guy and oh yeah, by the way, finally he's here. He called like, you told me at 2, right? Yeah, 2.
Yeah.
What time is it now?
7:25.
When a Habashan guy tell you I will come at 2, he'll come at 7. Okay, so yeah, I was talking to the guy and I'm gonna talk to my dad if I can get the money. And yeah, it's a beautiful car. It's so nice and smooth, man. It's like smooth, not smooth. Okay, smooth. Like smoothie, you know. It's nice. I didn't show you all because I want to keep. We're in the Gold Coast Hospital, University Hospital. So guys, today was a good day. Actually, I had a lot of fun as you saw, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Hit the like button if you like it and subscribe. Thank you for watching and peace.